Hey everyone, this is AJ from Mobius. Today we're going to take a look at the Mobius MD48 dry trimmer. Designed specifically for dry flower with up to 12% moisture content, the MD48 can trim 72 pounds per hour, delivering premium flower and high-value trim. The MD48 dry trimmer is vacuum and lubricant-free, which ensures your premium flower and trim maintain their purity. All of your trim will be collected during each run and can be used for secondary processing later. With a closed-loop system, the trim always maintains its potency for high-clarity extracts. Despite its commercial processing size, the MD48 is easy to transport and maneuver. Roll it into place, lock the wheels, and let the machine do the work. The motorized system allows the operator to rotate the drum to load, run, and empty the machine ergonomically, all from the user-friendly HMI. The flower gently tumbles in the 48-inch long stainless steel drum. With automatic oscillation, the tumbler will pitch back and forth, efficiently mixing the flower as it trims, allowing for consistent trimming on every bud across different batches and harvests. Save your settings to get repeatable trim results and consistency across batches. With savable recipes and integrated settings memory, track tumbler speed, trimming timers, and tilt angles to save the exact settings for future harvests. The spring-assisted top lid allows for easy access to the tumbler. All Mobius equipment is precision engineered with interlocking parts designed to allow operators to disassemble without the need for tools, greatly reducing machine downtime for an efficient operation. Quickly remove the drum for cleaning. Easily swap in a clean drum to achieve a non-stop trimming workflow, all without having to manually retension your machine. Swap in the optional keef kit to extract high-value trichomes. The keef kit includes a 150 micron mesh keef screen that replaces the trimming drum and a keef tray to swap with the trim bin. Tumble your flower or trim by itself or add dry ice for an efficient keef collection process. Constructed with stainless steel and food-grade components, the MD48 is built to last. The machine is pressure washable, making it perfect for any GMP workflow. To learn more about the Mobius MD48, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.